driving the Granturismo. So today I'm going to talk about how people perceive this car, and this is anywhere from friends, family, just random people that I meet, or people that walk up to me, people at car shows. And so let's start with the exterior. So after all these years, I personally still think this is a great looking car, and pretty much most people, they think this is a fairly new car, and they actually get surprised when I tell them the car's already 10 years old. So because this car, I think Maserati just did a great job in the design of this car. And even on the 2024 Granturismo, you can see the similarities to this generation. So they copied a lot of the shape of this car. Yeah, they redesigned the headlights, similar to the MC20. But I just think they did a great job on it. And like I said, most people think this is a fairly new car. And I think through the years it'll still be a great looking car. So it's just like a timeless design. Now yeah, the interior is when it really shows its age, when you see the interior, the buttons. But yeah, when people see it from the outside, it gets perceived as a fairly new car, just because it's a timeless design. So this car, it's not too flashy, so it doesn't stand out as much as you would think. Honestly, my Corvette gets more attention just because it's a turquoise teal color. But I personally like that it's kind of a little bit stealthy in a way, because it's gray. So I think if it was like red, blue, some of those colors, I think it would really be more flashy, it would stand out more. So I kind of like that. I mean, it's so I personally like this color, gray with the dark wheels. But yeah, if you were wanting something that would stand out more, it'd probably be better to get another color. So another thing is the Maseratis. Some people that don't know anything about cars don't even know what a Maserati is. So everybody knows Ferrari, Lamborghini, but Maserati is just not as popular, even though compared to the other brands, it's mass produced. But it just doesn't get the same publicity that like Lamborghini and Ferrari gets. So I've come to find out that some people don't even know what Maserati is, but this is coming again from people that really don't know about cars. So yeah, for the most part, people do perceive the maintenance to be expensive, which it is. It does have a engine built by Ferrari, and at one point the car used to be $130,000, so all the parts are priced like it was a $130,000 car, even though the car nowadays is probably worth 40K, 45. So yep, maintenance does tend to be expensive, and for the most part people do perceive it to be that way. Sound, let's talk about the sound. People love the sound. I've had people telling me to rev it, or they want to hear the engine. So it makes a beautiful sound. I think this is one of its strong points on the Granturismo, that naturally aspirated V8. and people seem to like the sound. So this car does get attention. I get thumbs up every now and then, people telling me they like the car. So, and no negative comments, no negative feedback to mention. And I think it's because so this car's not really flashy. It doesn't give off like a douchey, like that kind of vibe. And I think this is one of those cars that you can leave it in a parking lot and not have to worry about it. So I think this is great. Because like if you had a really flashy car, really fancy, it's probably one of those things that would concern you about just even parking. So yeah, I think this is a great car that you could just take out and daily drive.